2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, rear window wiper, power seat. Come take a test drive today.